I'm packing orders. Maria here has already bought from me once, but she never received it. It wasn't my fault. The USPS lost the package, all of that great stuff that we had to deal with. But Maria is such a sweetheart. We got that all taken care of. We figured out what happened to her package, and she reordered another package. Let's pack it. This is what the universe stopped her having. Lavender sage wax melts. That one comes with lavender buds and amethyst. Uplift, citron and mandarin with chamomile and citrine. Lunar, moonflower nectar with rose and moonstone. Good for moon rituals. Adore is good for love. It smells like a garden with rose petals and garnet. And Awakening, which is the bestseller, cactus flower and jade with calendula and lapis. These are soy non-toxic wax melts made with herbs, crystals, and Reiki. They all have an intention to them. I appreciate her supporting my business so much. I included some extras. Here I am picking them out. She was so patient and so kind and knew it wasn't my fault. And I always make things right. Hook you up if I need to. And it's on its way to you, Maria. Thanks. Bye.